Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to TWR. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. If I am sounding a little hushed, it's because I am trying to be a little bit hushed because it is like 5 o'clock in the morning and the kids are still sleeping, and that's the last thing I want to do is wake them up at this point in the day. It is my Zen zone time, and I really don't want to wake them up to interrupt it. So I'm keeping a little hushed right now. That being said, last night while I was laying in bed, I kept hearing some rustling in the tub that has the sunbeam snakes in it. It's the first time I've heard any activity from this tub. So I decided to just kind of sneak up out of bed with my phone with just a flashlight to see if there was anybody on the surface or if they were just moving around below. And they were actually both up on the surface. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna try to get this lid off and see if I can get some actual footage of these snakes before they go back into the dirt. And naturally, of course, they did exactly well. One of them did exactly what I expected it to do. The moment I touched the enclosure or the tub, it immediately started heading into the dirt. The other one, wasn't so quick to go down. It was definitely up on the surface, being pretty curious. It had climbed up onto the lip where the latches are. There's like the little divot that's inside of there, and it's like that much space from the dirt to the lid, and so I was pretty impressed by that. I didn't expect something like that of a kind of a climb to happen from a snake that spends most of its time in the dirt, but it did. So anyway, and it did go back down from that point when I first opened the lid, but it didn't go into the dirt. It just kind of stayed at the surface, kind of looked at me, trying to check me out. So either way, I was able to just actually get my phone out and get some footage. I thought maybe even when I turned the light on, it would go down, and it still didn't. So let's check that out. I really want to share with you. I told you as soon as I got some footage, I would. So let's check it out. Wow. So I was able to, I heard rustling, and so I decided to just kind of peek and see what it was. And one of them was out and about, and I thought it would immediately hide again as soon as I tried to open up the lid and get footage. But it's not hiding. Not yet. I bet if I were to suddenly touch it, it would just dive right into the dirt. But I just wanted to get a quick video to show you all at least one of them. They were both out. I heard them both. But by the time I got up, there was only one still fully above. The other one was already working his way back down. So now it's just this last one up. Wow, so beautiful. I'm not going to disturb you though. I just wanted to show you guys some footage. I told you I would. And there you have it. That there's a sunbeam snake. Absolutely stunning. Oh, down she goes. All right, so there you guys have it. It was really cool to be able to capture that from those guys for that particular one. They're such amazing snakes. They're absolutely gorgeous, just like holographic, like nothing else in nature is like it. I mean, yes, there are several snakes out there that all have their own different levels of gorgeous iridescence, but this is just, it's almost like every single scale just like reflects the light, and it's just like absolutely magic, just straight up holographic and absolutely gorgeous. Probably one of the most beautiful things nature really has to offer. It's one of the reasons I actually love snakes. I mean, it's just a prime example of just how beautiful nature can be. It just can create this living piece of art. Alright, so now enough about the sunbeam snake. I did want to also share another little thing that I have going on. It's weird because I never really thought I would geek myself out about something like this, but a long time ago I told you all about bioactive and springtails and isopods, and I was trying to, like, way a while ago, I was trying to go out, get some wild caught isopods, see what it'd be like to raise those up. That was a project that never really took off because there were just so many other things happening in my life, but I have jumped back into the isopod project, and it's fresh and brand new, and I'm very excited about it because the isopods I have are not just the ones that you can get around here. They're super cute, and like I said, I never thought that I would be in a point in my life where I would actually be geeking out on a potato bug, but or roly poly as I grew up calling them. But here I am. I have two different types of roly polies that I've recently gotten, and I'm super excited to share them with you. So let's check them out. All right, so first up we have the Spanish orange isopods here. They are super cute. I mean, they're so adorable. I just love how orange they are. And when they're younger, they have almost this like white sheen over the orange that just kind of like reflects like a reflective layer on their orange. And it's just, they're super amazing little creatures. And I mean, I've seen lots of different isopods come in and come through the store, but I have to say that these Spanish orange are probably some of the most impressive ones that I have yet to come across in the store. They're just really amazing and really bright, and I know once you put them in an enclosure, if you were to use them as a cleaning crew, of course, you most likely won't see them at all. But I mean, I just looking at these few that I have really does make me even understand how there are some people out there who legitimately just keep isopods as pets because they enjoy looking at them. So they're really beautiful, and I'm super excited to have them. And for me, they're just going to be pets for a while because I don't really have any bioactive enclosures and setups. So that's just going to be a future thing. But for now, they're just pets, and I'm super excited to have them here. All right, and next up we have these super cute isopods here. They are labeled as dairy cow, and obviously you can see why. They are just like white with black spots, kind of like a cow, and they're really cute. I really have underestimated just how many really cute different species of isopods there are. I've underestimated isopods in general. You know, I just grew up with them being the full gray, just typical roly poly that I find around here, but never really knowing that they were out there with so many different colors, with spots and all that other good stuff. So, a really amazing job. Really amazing little creatures, and I absolutely adore them. I adore them so much, and I'm excited for this particular little batch to grow up and then start reproducing so that I get a lot more of them. I would love to get to the point where I am ready to do bioactive, just having so many of these to put in all of the enclosures that I could easily actually still see them if I wanted to, but for now I'm just going to enjoy them in a setting where I can actually just open it up and check them out and see how they're doing. So yeah, these are the dairy cow isopods. All right, and there you all have it. I just wanted to kind of share that clip I caught of the Sunbeam snake with you, as I promised that I would. I also really wanted to share these isopods because, as you can see, they are really cool and really cute. And I don't know how big that's gonna get. I don't know what that's gonna go, but I'm just gonna enjoy being able to look at those every once in a while and see that see them grow and see them populate and all that good stuff. So I'm very excited for that project. It's just a small little thing. Just trying to do small little things, getting back into stuff that makes me feel good, makes me feel happy, it makes me what I'm passionate about. So yeah. I'm gonna wrap this up. Just a short video today. You all take care. You love yourselves, love your loved ones, love your reptiles, and you all keep spreading those herbs.